Hello YouTube, we're going to attempt to restore these. We're going to use our scrubby wheel. We're now on this, it's called a scrubby wheel. And we're going to try to use it flat. We're going to try not to round the corners off of this wheel or get out here. We want to use it like a grindstone to try to make this last through the rest of the winter. The other one I was using on different stuff and with the drill, and I really did destroy it. So stay tuned, this is going to be a real short video. Here's your before look. We're going to come back and it'll be done. We also will use that orange wheel for final polishing. So we might bring it back for a short clip and show you, hey, we just got done with this wheel, then we'll bring back the other one. So we got to get them apart. They've been apart before. All we ever did with these was a quick wire brush. Stanley Handyman number 1500. There you go. Let's go to work. Okay, we're trying to focus to show you how bad that is. See how pitted that is? Okay, we're going to go take it to the scrubby wheel and we'll be right back to show you the difference. Okay, I don't think I can do that good with a belt sander. It is hot. Ouch. I really bared into it. I mean, don't get those wheels unless you're willing to, or don't get them wheels try to do this stuff unless you're willing to get really aggressive, because we know it looked about like that. When I come back again, we'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. Okay, we've been trying to stay perfectly flat on this wheel. Not do this, not do that. Look how good that looks. Can you see it? Does it show up? You'll see it later when we're done. That's pretty good. These were really pitted. I mean, this one isn't as bad. There you go. We won't be back till we're all done now, so stay tuned. I hope this is filming okay with my battery symbol flashing. I have to just get the battery stage. I have some right here in my desk, so back to work. Okay, we did take this side to the orange abrasive wheel and the nylon bristles, and not this side. There's some pits I can't get out of it, but we're going to go ahead and take this to it because it seems to take out some of these scratches, like see in there. You can still see them, but it does make it that little bit better and a little bit shinier. We just cannot get these pits out. They're just way too deep. So stay tuned. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, they do look nice what I use. I do have to say the orange one did put a nice shine on them, even though they look good with the other one. It did help shine it up. I mean, way too nice for a pair of pliers. I mean, these are old, they'll never be used. Now I need to coat them with something. I do have different sprays and stuff. I probably won't use them. They'll probably throw it back in the toolbox, but person does need to peen these or do something or Loctite, because you start using these, this thing's going to loosen up again. I got the nut just about right, but the nylon bristles work good getting down there in the jaws. These aren't wore too bad for as old as they are. I have no idea how old these are. Handyman number 1500, Stanley. I do know that I don't ever remember in my childhood seeing this design on a pair of pliers. That's pretty elaborate. But we'll take a couple pictures, and thanks for watching.